UptoSix Phonics. Listen to the sound.
It's a sunny day at the seaside. Sam the squirrel is having a good time at the seaside. Sam used his sand toys to build a sand castle. He wants to relax on the sunbed now. Sam is hungry and thirsty.
As in sun. Sun. As in squid and starfish. Squid. Starfish. Starfish. As in sand castle. And as in sand toys. Sand castle. Sand toys. As in sunglasses. As in straw glass. And as in sandwich. As in squirrel. And as in seagull. Tap all the pictures that begin with the sound. Sky. Sun. Squid. Starfish. Sand. Stick. Sand toys. Sand castle. Straw glass. Sandwich. Sunglasses. Squirrel. Seagull. Sandal. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Lemon. Apple. Sandals. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Sandwich. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Drums. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Disco ball. Tap on the picture that begins with the sound. Dolphin. Can you try writing the sound? Listen to the sound. Ah!
Hello, Mr. Astronaut. Mr. Astronaut is all set to travel to outer space to see his alien friend.
Ah! As in apple. Apple. UptoSix Phonics. Listen to the sound.
It is 9 o'clock in the night. The Nightingale family is taking a nap. Mummy Nightingale had finished reading her newspaper. She is wearing a nightcap. The baby Nightingales ate a few nuts for dinner. It looks like the younger one is still hungry.
Listen to the sound. Pop the bubbles with the sound. Pop the bubbles with the sound. with the sound ah. Tap on the sound that arrow begins with. Tap on the sound that table begins with. Ah, you can do it! Tap on the sound that nut begins with. Tap on the sound that seagull begins with. UptoSix Phonics. Tap on the sound that cat ends with. Tap on the sound that cap ends with. Tap on the sound that cap ends with. Help the teddy with the matching letter board the train. You can do it! You can do it! Yeah! Help the squirrel to get the acorn. Try again. You are a fantastic helper. Help the squirrel to get the acorn. Oh no, can you try again? That's great. Tap the acorn that has the same letter. You can do it! You are a superstar! Help the squirrel to get the acorn. I'm so proud of you. Blending. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Ah. Ant. Read the word and tap the correct picture. Ah. Na. It. Kit. Pen. Ga. It. Rib. It. Mint. Ah. It. Panic. It. Insect. Segmenting. Can you spell wet? What? Wet. Can you spell fox? Ox. Fox. Cat. Cat. Tap the picture. Pin. 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 Can you spell na? Na. Pen. Pen. Can you spell peg? Peg. Can you spell dad? Dad. Dad. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Forest. Helmet. UptoSix Phonics. Pack. Picnic. Bag. Pack a picnic bag. Hop, skip, jump and run. Jump. Skip. Pat a cat.